Guys, I have to say, I have to do this video. X5, it just got faster. I can't believe it. I didn't think it's possible. I honestly didn't think it's possible, but it feels like I just retuned my car over again and just went over and beyond. Let me explain. I have the 91 Octane tune on my X5M. So I've been playing around with different fuels, octane boosters, trying to make sure I get a good octane. I recently playing around with the E85 last few months with the M3, and I decided to go ahead and try with the X5. And I've been adding a gallon here and there, you know, when I fuel up to make sure that I get, you know, obviously get good fuel. But now what I've done was I put in 5 gallons. All right, and I was hoping to get me close to a 93 octane. Flash my car to the 93 octane tune. Just flashing my car. I'm gonna try this 93 map with higher fuel and see what I can do for 0 to 60 time. Almost done. And I'm gonna step on it right now. I'm gonna show you. And it's like, wow. I mean, this, I'm falling for this. I'm falling in love with this car again. I mean, this is amazing. I can't wait to get dragging on. I'm doing some testing. I'm serious. This thing is fast because it feels like my tune, my step on it. And then now as I accelerate, I'm feeling more power, more than what it was before with the tune. I can't go back to stock now at this point, but I was letting you guys know I'm jealous of you guys on the East Coast that can get 93 octane all the time, because this is amazing. This thing is fast now. I want to go race. I want to go find somebody to race. I'm gonna find somebody to race me. Find some Mustang or something to pick on. This is fast. It's another X5. I can't explain how excited I am. And this is all for a simple flash tune. It tells you how much this car is held back just from our poor fuel alone, that there's a lot left on the table. I think my next thing I may consider is get a custom tune and go from there. Picking this charger right here. I love, yeah, it was an SRT. Decelerated, let them hit the exhaust pop for a second. All right, I got some room here. Let me run through a couple of gears here. I'm gonna see what I can do on this highway. It's amazing, guys. You know what, I'm gonna turn the camera around. I want you to see it. Guys, when I get this feeling, when you first in your car, you get this feeling of hierarchy, like you can beat everything out there. It's just, you know, I feel like Trackhawk, you bring it on, I will eat it up. I'm sorry, this thing will run all over a Trackhawk. That's how I feel right now. It may not be the case, but this is how I feel. Trackhawk, GLE 63S, Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I am here, and I'm hoping I encounter a stoplight with you guys, and it's going to be a bad day for you. I feel bad. It's going to hurt my feelings, and it's not be mine. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this, I will do another video. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see what the Draggy says. You know what? No video. I'm gonna add it onto this video. So just wait. I'm gonna wait till I get home. Might get a couple days out. I'm gonna try it again. Right now it's about 80 degrees, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm at 3.8, if not more, 0 to 60 time without launch control. I'm not using launch control. I'm just gonna floor it. Now, flooring it before, I was like 4.1, 4.2. but I'm confident that I'm gonna be at 3.8, 3.9 easily with no launch. And I think my quarter mile time should be, I would say, at least a high 11 at about 100 and, I don't know, 117 miles an hour. Well, I'm gonna run this tune and rematch the M3 versus this X5 again. I don't think the M3 is gonna be able to stock, by what I mean. I don't think it's gonna have as easy time to pass this, if it can. Oh, if it wasn't for California emissions, I would seriously put a catless downpipe on this, just so I can go stage 2. I'm addicted. I'm bitten by the bug, and I want to just do more. But it's the emissions here. I'm hoping, I want someone to pull up next to me at a stoplight where their lane's gonna run out, and I want them to try something on me. But it won't happen. The only time that stuff happened to me was I'm in a Civic. Every time. I drive a Civic, and every car is out there trying to pass me. And there's nothing I can do about it. Wish I could play the music in the car. What do you like listening to? What kind of music do you like? Lately I've been on hip hop and EDM. I don't know if you guys like Hippie Sabotage. I like that one song, In Your Eyes. I don't know why, but in this sound system it really dumps. So if you have a chance to download that, and if you get it rattling, it's this. That's all that is. My hydro flask. All right, we'll pick this up. Find a good time to do the dragging, a good place to do it. I'm on call, so I'm not gonna be able to go to my normal location.